Some cool gadgets can change your lifestyle, or they can make your life fun. Therefore, in this video, we are going to talk about 18 gadgets that you will enjoy having. To gain more knowledge about these gadgets, you can find the product link in the video's description. Without any further ado, let's begin the video. Number 1. Door guard for the safety purpose. This door guard fills the gap beneath doors, keeping bugs out. Made of rubber and washable fabric, it not only protects from bugs but also dust. Plus, it saves energy by keeping the AC air inside. It's 36 inches long and adaptable to your needs. Let's move on to the next product now. What are we looking at? Digital alarm clock. This alarm clock is not your ordinary clock. It talks too. It projects the time onto your wall or ceiling with its LED wall ceiling projection feature. Plus, it tells you the time out loud. And guess what? It even shows your room temperature. One clock, many perks. Number 3. Book locker. If you need to go somewhere or have guests over and want to keep your cards and jewelry safe, this book-shaped locker box can be really handy. It's made of stainless steel and plastic. Its unique book design keeps it incognito. Nobody would guess it's anything other than a book. It's made of zinc alloy, so breaking it is tough, and it doesn't require keys. Let's find out about the fourth product. What's next on our list? Number 4. Outdoor solar lights. These outdoor wall lights are powered by both solar and battery, with an 1800 mAh battery capacity and made of ABS material weighing just 199 grams. You can use these lights to illuminate your porches, decks, or garage doorways. Simply place them under direct sunlight for charging, and once fully charged, they provide a battery backup of 8 to 12 hours. No need for any wiring during installation. Moving on. Number 5. Wireless mouse. In today's era, it's hard to imagine getting anything done without a phone or laptop, right? That's why we thought of adding this wireless mouse to the list. You can easily find this wireless mouse from Subronics and Amazon. This mouse comes with the usual 4 buttons, left, right, scroll click, and a DPI switch. You can easily switch between 800, 1200, or 1600 DPI optical. Let's see what's in store for the 6th product on our list. Number 6. Phone laptop fingerproof screen cleaner. When we're talking about modern gadgets, how can we forget this one? It not only cleans your LED TV screen, but also removes all those pesky bacteria. Comes in a stylish spray bottle, giving it a modern and cute look. Plus, it includes a protective shell, a clean shell, and an internal bottle. This could prove to be quite useful, so make sure to grab one. The next product is Number 7. Photo frame hooks. If you often avoid hanging photo frames on your walls because you want to steer clear of wall drilling, then this set of hooks might be just what you need. These hooks can be easily attached to your walls without drilling, allowing you to hang your clothes, photo frames, calendars, or any other essentials effortlessly. Made of stainless steel, they can hold up to around 10 kilograms of weight. Let's talk about the 8th product of the day. What's in store for us? Number 8. Multi-screwdriver 8-in-1 with LED portable torch. This product could be quite useful for you. This multi-screwdriver with a portable LED torch is made of plastic, and it's easy to carry. It can fit right into your pocket. You can use it in 8 different ways, and it'll come in handy for day-to-day fixes. Plus, its torch can help you fix screws even in low-light areas. Number 9. Foldable Wardrobe. It's a foldable wardrobe where you can easily organize your clothes, toys, books, and many other items. It comes with numerous fabric shelves and a steel structure weighing approximately 3.4 kilograms. This well-stitched shelf is available in different colors, and it also features side pockets, increasing its storage capacity with 4 wheels attached. It can move in all directions, making it convenient to shift around. Number 10. Smart Touchless Motion Sensor Absorption Trash Can. This trash can is not just attractive to look at, it's also incredibly useful, hygienic, and easy to operate. It automatically opens its lid when objects come within 15 to 25 centimeters of it, and it closes itself 5 seconds after the object is removed. You can place it anywhere, and everything around you will look much cleaner. Number 11. Sandwich Maker. Who doesn't love a good sandwich? They are delicious, aren't they? And if they can be prepared in minutes, what could be better than that? This sandwich maker can fulfill this desire of yours. With its help, you can make multiple sandwiches in one go, which are cooked perfectly and come out in a perfect shape. It operates at 700 watts with a pop-up option. Moreover, its non-toxic ceramic coating not only prevents excessive oil usage, but also prevents it from burning. Number 12. Bottle Warmer. This handy gadget is designed to make warming bottles incredibly easy and convenient. With just a simple tap, it heats bottles to the perfect temperature, ensuring that every sip is just right. The device features an intuitive digital display, so you can easily see and set the desired temperature. It heats up quickly, which is especially helpful for busy parents who don't have a lot of time to spare. Imagine it's the middle of the night and your baby is hungry. Instead of waiting a long time for the bottle to warm up, you can use this gadget to get it ready in no time. The quick heating feature means you spend less time waiting and more time comforting your little one. This bottle warmer is not only fast but also very precise. It ensures the milk is evenly heated, which is important for maintaining the nutrients in the milk. It's a game changer for parents who are always on the go, providing a reliable and efficient way to warm bottles. Number 13, self-adhesive tissue paper roll holder. Building a home requires a significant investment. For a middle-class individual, often even after the home is built, some things are missing. Your bathroom might lack a toilet paper holder, so this is a perfect wall-mounted product for setting toilet paper rolls. Made of 304 stainless steel, it requires no drilling, no damaging of walls for installation, just mount it on a smooth surface like tiles, metal, glass, or laminate. Number 14, water-absorbing mat. Enhance your bathroom with the Momo Lifestyle Stone Bath Mat. Made from smooth, natural stones, it turns your space into a relaxing spa. This unique mat not only looks elegant, but also gently massages your tired feet. It's a perfect way to add a touch of luxury and comfort to your daily routine, making every step feel indulgent and refreshing. Treat yourself to this must-have bath mat and transform your bathroom into a serene oasis. Number 15, Men's Slim Wallet. The Zitali Men's Wallet Slim is more than just a wallet. It's a sophisticated blend of style and functionality designed for the modern man. Crafted with premium materials, this wallet boasts a slim design that fits effortlessly into any pocket, eliminating the bulk that traditional wallets often bring. Despite its slender profile, the Zitali Men's Wallet Slim offers ample space to accommodate your essential cards and cash, making it incredibly practical for everyday use. Imagine a busy day where you need to move swiftly from one meeting to another or from the office to a social gathering. The Zitali Men's Wallet Slim ensures you can carry all your essentials without the hassle of a bulky wallet weighing you down. Its sleek design not only adds a touch of elegance to your attire, but also provides easy access to your cards and cash, enhancing your efficiency. This wallet is perfect for those who appreciate the finer things in life and demand both style and practicality from their accessories. Whether you're dressing up for a formal occasion or keeping it casual, the Zitali Men's Wallet Slim seamlessly blends into your lifestyle, offering a refined and organized solution for carrying your essentials. Number 16, Gerber Freescape Camp Saw. This gadget is your ultimate companion for outdoor adventures. With its innovative design and durable construction, this saw makes light work of cutting through branches and logs. Its compact size and folding blade ensure easy portability, while the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip for extended use. Number 17, GPCA X-Clip Keychain Set. GPCA X-Clip Keychain Set is your everyday carry essential redefined, designed for convenience and durability. This sleek keychain set keeps your keys organized and accessible at all times. With its innovative X-Clip design, it securely fastens to your belt loop or bag, ensuring your keys stay put while you're on the move. Number 18, Aura Ring Gen 3 Horizon. The sleek and stylish ring discreetly tracks your sleep, activity, and overall health, providing valuable insights to help you optimize your well-being. With advanced sensors and personalized guidance, it empowers you to make meaningful lifestyle changes for better sleep, recovery, and performance. So which of these did you like the most? Let us know your answer in the comments section below. And once again, all the links are in my bio, so don't forget to check them out.